Hi guys, sorry I didn't take you all along the way I washed my chicken. This chicken in the oven. I have to spice it now with the ingredients. But first, this chicken is very strong. Let me cut it a little bit so that the ingredients will go inside or will penetrate inside. My next video, I will show you all the way I wash my chicken. Very important, guys. Very, very important. All right. One step at a time. But you have to be careful because I'm a big chef, so I'm no longer afraid. My lovely people, it's Sunday morning. Today is Sunday. So guys, these are my spices. I need to pour it inside: bay leaves, curry, thyme, Maggi, rosemary, what else? Garlic, ginger, a lot of stuffs in here, guys. Name it. So, oh my God. This is where the work lies. You really need to nail everything so that all the ingredients, all the spices will penetrate. See the way I'm mixing? Nothing is left out. See that, guys? So beautiful. Oh my God, my nose is something else right now. I feel like having a bite, even though it's fresh. Oh my God. Oh, the smell is unbearable, guys. It's unbearable. It's unbearable. Look at that. I finished nearly there. Look at that. Nearly severally. See how it looks now? See how it looks? See the motive of having a cut of it? Look at that. One thing is for sure, guys. Whenever you are preparing this type of meal, never you add oil to it. No, because the meat already is oilish. Don't add oil. I see a lot of people, they sprinkle a little oil to what they are about to cook. Oh my God. It depends on the food you're cooking anyways, but in this occasion, you don't have to add oil. Look at that. You see the oil in it? The oil that will come out from this chicken, you can use it to prepare another meal. The quantity, I'm not telling you to use it to. I'm just making a reference. For instance, guys, you get. Look at that. Let me add my bay leaf to it. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. There is space here. No. Okay. All right. You see that? Good to go. So guys, let me put it in the oven. My oven has already been on for the past 10-15 minutes. You see that? Then I'll cover it. Then increase. I need to increase it. Oh my God. My hand is rough. Maximum. All right. See you all later. Right guys, we're about to flip it a little bit so that the other side will get done properly. This is a risky part because it's sighting. And the oven is in the highest degree, highest. But I got to do what I have to do. Without flipping, the other side will be a little bit soft. So that's it. Let's give it 5 to 10 more minutes and we'll be done. See you all later. Alright people, we're here again. Oh my god, our chicken in the oven is ready. Look at that. Oh my god. Let me off the oven now. It was so hard to utilize. You see that, people? Chicken in the oven. Chicken in the oven. I'm flipping it back to the former shape, guys, so that you see the beauty. See the beauty of the chicken. You see, everything is so perfect now. So it's time to eat. Thank you so much, and bye bye.